talking about the Spectrum Max M2 and some general maintenance of it. In this case, just to preventing any dust from getting into the unit. So here it's on right now. So the first thing you want to do is power off the unit. And there's a button just in the back, right beside the fuse. Turn that off. Disconnect any of the cables. Probably want to unconnect here. You don't want to electrocute yourself when you're handling it. And so what you'll need to clean it is some lint-free cloth. In this case, I grabbed a Kim wipe, it's a tissue paper, and then we're going to dampen that with some millicue water. And all we're going to do is just wipe the surfaces, get rid of any dust, and that would be inside the cuvette holder, and so on, around the edges, on the bottom. Before we flip it over, you do want to secure the lid to the cuvette holder so that doesn't fly open. And what I'm going to do is lift this unit this way so I don't put any weight on the fuse. And again, just continue cleaning up the unit and get rid of any dust or dirt accumulating in the plugins and whatnots. So here on the bottom, you can see there's a lot of intake. This one here would be for the fan. In this case, we found out that it was actually, the filter was damaged, so we just ripped it off to prevent any particles from going inside where the lamp is. Also, again, just taking your lint-free cloth, just get rid of any dust that's gone on there. And then reattach. In this case, I'm going crooked. There we go. Oh yeah. The other thing is just make sure that the surface is actually clean. In case of any more dirt. So once that's done, you want to make sure that this is all dry, which it is. Use very little water. Replug in that. Plug in your cords to your unit, and then you're ready to start up again, to boot it up. And then when you boot it up, this will take a while to cycle through all the calibration checks. It's about a minute or